Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy S26 Ultra, and let me share with you how to manage the navigation. So I'll show you how to switch between 3-button navigation and gestures, and I will explain all of the options that are available in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down and localize the option navigation bar, which is right here. Let me actually maybe change the brightness a little bit. So here we've got our two options, buttons and swipe gestures. So let's start with buttons. We can tap on more options, and if you want to, you can reorder the back button and the recents. So just choose the combination that is more comfortable for you. And you can decide whether you want to use the circle to search, which means that you have to touch and hold the home button to open circle to search. Just tap on it and hold it, and you will have to enable it. But basically, this is how it works. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher. If you'd like to set the gestures, simply tap on this option here, and instead of the 3 buttons, your device will show this line, which is responsible for specific gestures. You can go to more options. You can block gestures with S Pen, and you can change the gesture sensitivity to the lower or higher end. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures. So you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. It will depend whether you're using the case, for example, etc. All right, so if you'd like to, let me go back. And here again, we've got circle to search. So again, we can use this option just by using this bar. Just tap on it and hold it, and again, we've got the circle to search. All right, so if you'd like to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that. And if you can see this arrow, release the finger. And the same situation from the left side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short. And if you'd like to open the recents, repeat the gesture. So from the bottom to the center, and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents. Moreover, if you've got a lot of apps opened and you don't really want to open the recents, try to find it and then tap on it, you can quickly switch between the apps just by swiping your finger at the bottom from the left to the right. So something like that. And as you can see, we can change between the apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.